How to create a Discover Bank online account. So to create an online account on Discover Bank, first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar, search for Discover Bank online account. And after searching, you will have www.discover.com. Click on that, and here it will take you to the website. So now to create an account, click on open an account, and you will have these bunch of options. So if you want to create a checking account, then you can click here, and if you want to create an online savings account, here, and for money market account, certificate of deposit, IRA certificate of deposit, IRA savings account, you can choose any one of these accounts. For now I'll be choosing the checking account. And now to create your account, first you have to enter your first and then your last name, and on the third you have to enter your email address, and on the fourth you have to enter your mobile number. But if you already have an account, then you can click on login, and then you can log into your account. So let's fill this blanks with information. And after entering all of your information, like your first and last name, your email address, and then your mobile number, you can click on continue. And now this is the second step. Here you have to enter your social security number, and then your mother maiden's name, and then your date of birth and your country of citizenship, and after that your occupation. And after entering all of this information, you can click on continue. Here this is the third step. So you have to enter your address, and then your APT suit, and your city name, and then your state, and then your zip code. And after entering all of this, you can click on continue. And after entering all of this, you can click on continue. And if you don't know this APT or suit, then you can leave this, because this one is optional, and you have to enter these 4 blanks. And after entering your address, click on continue. And now these are the final questions. So do you plan to use this account to send or receive money internationally? So if you want to send or receive money, then you can click on yes, or you can click on no. Where will money for deposits to this account come from? Your income or your inheritance or other? And then what is your annual household income? You can choose any of these. And after entering this information, click on continue. And now you have to create your ID and then your password. So first you have to create a user ID, and then you have to create a password. And make sure that your ID must be 6 to 16 characters and is not case sensitive, and can include special characters with the exception of these and the spaces. So make sure to read all of this information and then create your user ID. And your password must be at least 8 to 32 characters and have at least 1 letter and 1 number. Your password is case sensitive and can also use any special characters. So keeping this in mind, create your ID and then create your password, and after entering that, you can click on continue, and then that's it. That's the last step, and then you will create your account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.